Welcome back to channel. Today we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding the iPad mini 7. Is it set to bring significant upgrades, or will it be more of an incremental update? With anticipation building and rumors swirling, let's unpack what we might expect from Apple's upcoming release. Rumors. The iPad mini has always been a fan favorite, known for its portability and performance. As we inch closer to the potential release of the iPad mini 7, many are speculating about the upgrades it might bring. From discussions about promotion displays to potential enhancements in Apple's AI capabilities, there's a lot to consider. Let's break down the most intriguing rumors and expectations for the next generation iPad mini. Expectations. One of the most requested features for the iPad mini 7 is a ProMotion display. Many users have expressed a desire for a smoother, more responsive screen, similar to what's available on the higher-end iPad Pro models. ProMotion technology, which offers a 120 Hz refresh rate, could significantly enhance the overall user experience, making scrolling animations look much more fluid. When it comes to processing power, there are a couple of potential paths Apple might take. The iPad mini 7 could either feature an updated A-series chip or, less likely, but still possible, an M-series chip. The A18 chip, expected to debut in the iPhone 16, would be a logical choice. It would provide enough power to run the latest features without overshadowing the iPad Air or Pro models. An M-series chip, while powerful, might be overkill for a device like the iPad mini, which is designed to be compact and less power-hungry. However, if Apple does opt for an M-series chip, it would be an impressive move, placing a high-performance processor in a device small enough to fit in a pocket. In terms of storage, a bump from the current 64GB base option would be welcomed. As we approach 2024, 64GB feels somewhat outdated, especially for users who expect to store a significant amount of data or use their device for more demanding applications. An increase in base storage would make the iPad mini 7 more appealing and practical for a wider range of users. Pricing is another factor to consider. If Apple can keep the starting price around $499 while adding these new features, it would be a strong offering in the market. However, if the price creeps up significantly, it might impact the mini's attractiveness compared to other options. September event. Given the historical pattern of Apple's product announcements, it's plausible that the iPad mini 7 could make an appearance at the upcoming September event. While major changes might be limited, we can expect some updates that align the mini more closely with the rest of Apple's lineup. This could include minor tweaks to the camera, improvements in Apple Pencil support, and a newer chip to support the latest software features. As we anticipate the launch of the iPad mini 7, it's clear that while significant changes may be unlikely, there are still some exciting upgrades on the horizon. Whether it's enhanced display technology, improved accessory support, or the integration of advanced AI features, the next iPad mini promises to be a worthy update for fans of the compact tablet. Are you excited about the potential updates to the iPad mini 7, or do you think Apple should have gone further with its enhancements? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Educational Hub, and stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the latest trends.